Question 3. Question 3. We are looking for the inverse of x squared over s squared plus 9 squared. So what we are going to do for this question is to split into two parts and use convolution method. Okay? Because it's going to be a product of two items. And that will be inverse of what? That will be inverse of x2 plus 9, then times inverse of what? X over what? X2 plus 9. So convolution is the fastest way to solve this question. And that will give you, this will give you, this will be cos 3t asterisk of convolute. This also give you cos 3t. Okay, the same function. So in that case now, from the convolution, we know that f asterisk or f convolutes g as a function of t give us integral from 0 to t. That's the formula for convolution, t minus v over what? G of v, then dv. So we're going to apply the formula for that. So what we are having here is a cos 3t convolute cos 3t. Okay, and that will be equal to 0 from this. And that will be cos 3. Well, first t will be, we substitute what there? T minus what? Minus v. Okay, then g of what? That will be cos 3 what? 3v. The second t, substitute what there? V there. And that was dv. Okay, so that's what we have now. So what we're going to do now is to use a trigger identity that we know that cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sine x sine y. Okay, the sign here will be reverse. And then let's do the negative of that function. This will be equal to cos x cos y plus sine what? Sine x sine y. Okay, we have these two equations. So how can we get the product of two functions? Since we're having cosine, then we can add these two equations together, and this one will cancel out. Add it together, then you have what? You have 2 cos x plus y. Okay, 2 cos of cosine, and that will give you additions of cosine. So you have this. So let's apply that to that question. That will be equal to, integral from 0 to t, that's half, open your bracket, that's a cos, this t minus v, we didn't even finish this one. This one will be, this one here, that will be cos 3t minus 3v, and then cos 3v. So this one is my x, this 3v is my y. So that will be 3t minus 3v. Okay, that's the x value plus 3v. This, then plus cos 3t minus 3v minus 3v. Then you close that and put your dv there. Okay, so we have now integral from 0 to t half, and that will be cos minus 3v plus 3v will cancel, so we have cos 3t here. Okay, then the other one plus cos 3t minus 3v, that's minus 6v. Then close that, then put your dv. So that's what we have now. We can take this half outside. We can take that half outside. Then we can begin to integrate. Okay, this is cos 3v. So it's going to be integral of, it will be outside the integration, cos 3. This is cos 3t. This is cos 3t. It doesn't have v. So we're going to take it as a constant. Okay, and the v. We are only integrating the v. And the v will give you v. Integral of the v will give you v. Okay, so we now have v cos 3t. Put your upper and lower limit for that one. Okay, then the second one, you have this. This will be equal to This one has v inside, so that will be equal to plus sine 3t minus 6v. Then you divide by what? The derivative of the function. The derivative of 3t minus 6v is minus 6. Okay? Then you put your upper t 0. Okay? So that's what we have now. So we just need to substitute to this to the equation, the upper and lower boundary. Okay? So this will be half into bracket. Substitute this one here. That will be t cos 3t minus what? Minus 0. I finished this one now. So I'm here now. So I can bring this plus minus. That will be what? Minus 1 over 6. Open bracket for that. So put here 3t minus 6t. That's what? Sine what? Sine minus 3t. That's that. Okay. Then minus the, I've done the upper minus lower limit. Put your 0 here. That's what? Sine what? Sine 3t. Then close that. Close that. Okay. So we now have half. We have half into bracket t cos 3t minus 1 over 6. This one minus sine, the sign here, minus, because you have to know that sine minus 3t is the same thing as what? Minus sine 3t. So minus here become plus. If you open that one, it become plus sine 3t. Okay, then for this one, minus times minus, that's plus 1 over 6 sine 3t. Sine 3t. So that's the answer for that. You can just allow the half to come in if you want to, and that will be half t cos 3t, and then plus 1 over 12 sine 3t. Okay, then plus what? Plus 1 over 12 sine 3t. So we can do the addition. This one can be combined together. So that's half t cos 3t. Then 1 over 12. 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12. That's plus 1 over 6 sine 3t. So that's the answer for that.